Alright, here we come to the elevators at the Richardson Hotel in Taipei, Taiwan. Once this camera will get the focus, we got some Mitsubishi electric elevators. I rode these about probably 30 minutes ago. See which one we'll be getting. Alright, we got the down call over there. Oh, your call canceled. Yeah, this is going. You're going up. Yep. You're going to the 7th floor.
No.
Yeah. Oh, 9th floor. You gotta say in your car. Your call canceled.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Excuse me, please.
Oh, sorry.
Didn't mean to get your face in there. I'm just filming the elevator. My ears already start popping. Alright, you take care and have a good day.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Have a good night. Mitsubishi electric elevator. Your fixtures. Now we're gonna go down to 5. And we're gonna ride the outdoor glass elevators. Check this out. It's got the old bumpers. The door close button works. I love that. Check this out. Press, double tap, cancel. Not surprised we're going up again. Here's Big Brother. You're going on the first floor? Cancel my call. This is level 5. This is 5th floor. Alright, now we're gonna go to the other. Look at the luggage is right here. Alright, we're gonna go to the other scenic elevator that faces the outdoors. I just checked them out like a while ago. It's down this hallway. Those are the service elevators right there. Mitsubishi electric. Not gonna bother riding those. Alright, it's down that end. Look how beautiful this hallway is. Very modern, spacious looking. You're going on 1? Alright, let's go on the 2. Finally caught the elevator. See, that right there is a view into Seamen, which is a Japanese town. $16? Oh, 16 works. Look in the mirror. Hey. We're going up. It is getting dark out and I'm gonna have to start heading back down here very, very soon. I gotta meet my parents down in the lobby, so I'm not gonna be spending much time riding these. See the freeway right there? Yeah, I can barely see out there. See? Wish I could have taken this during the daytime, but oh well. Yeah, these things are slow for like 15 stories. All right, we're gonna get off at 5. Check this out. See, it's got the old bumpers. I'm gonna close the door. Again, this is similar to the main elevators. Here's your cab view of this futuristic, basic kind of elevator. It's a Mitsubishi electric, as we all know of. And I just hit my toe on the base floor. Stopping at 10.
Wow.
Going down? Oh, which floor are you going to?
Second.
Excuse me. Alright, I'm gonna end my video here because I gotta get through this crowd. There these go. I'm gonna get a still photo of these of the main elevator lobby of these elevators here. Alright, well, anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and that will be it.